Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you guys how to change your cargo light bulbs and third brake light bulbs on your 2005 Chevy Silverado. Now first, before I show you guys how to do it yourselves, I'm going to do one side just for comparison. So here's a comparison now. You can't really tell too much. The left side is just shining a little bit brighter as it's supposed to now with the LEDs. Now let me show you guys how to do it yourselves. What you want to do first is take off these two Phillips screws. And then after, make sure you don't lose your screws. And it should just pop out. You might have to mess with it a little bit. Now you want to disconnect it right here. So to get this out, you just pull back this little clip and then you pull out the connector and it disconnects. And then for these, it's really easy. You just twist it and the bulbs pop out. And then you just twist this and then it comes out. It is in a kind of weird space, so the bulb is too big to come out from that little spot. But if you just pull up, it disconnects it, and then you can get out the bulb from the bottom side. So now that we got the old bulbs out, let me show you the LEDs we're switching to. The LT15R being for the brake light, and the LT15 white is for the cargo light. And they plug right in, the same as before. So let's get to it. So now here we have the brake light. Should just plug right in. You line up the little tabs. And then it locks into place. And it's the same thing for the other ones. You just push it in there. And then you lock it into place. And you're ready to go. You're ready to connect it. So now that you switched the bulbs to LEDs, you just want to plug your connector back in. Put the little light housing back in. And then remember to put your screws back on. And then you're ready. So here's the final look with these Lasfit LEDs on the third brake light and on the cargo lights. I mean, it's a little bit harder to see through the camera now just because these are so much brighter, but hope you guys find it easy.